Hello. Hello. We're a day later than we wanted to be with this because all of our Halloween celebrations, I think, got in the way a bit.
And half term.
Yes, but we've still been really busy planning new things, and Steph's going to talk to you about the bauble she's been designing.
Yes, and as much as most people kind of shrink away at the word Christmas this time of year, we have massively noticed that all our festive colours and Christmas kits are starting to fly out, so it's well time to start thinking about Christmas. Definitely.
Probably should have been thinking about it months ago.
Yeah, I have already bought things, so we'll see. But this has been very eagerly anticipated, and as soon as we got the baubles out, people started asking again for kits. Now, we have got a workshop coming up, which we've already mentioned a couple of times, and the examples are hanging in the window at the moment in the shop. But there is also now a kit. So for those who are further afield or want a little bit more of a challenge, this is definitely a little bit more complicated than the workshop, and hopefully it will pick that up on the camera. I've gone for lots of swags and netting on this one, and just looks really effective. It's a little bit different to previous designs I've made, which hopefully makes it a little bit more interesting to bead as well. It's going to have full comprehensive instructions and all the beads in the kit, so you'll be able to pick it up and just run with it.
And is it coming in a couple of different colourways?
It is, yes. So I've done silver, there's going to be a red and white, and then potentially gold. Not sure on that one yet. But if there's a colour that you'd really like to see it in, please feel free to comment below, and we'll happily take that into consideration. Yeah, so that's what I've been working on mostly this week.
I've been mainly trying to work out plans for our 20th birthday, which is, funnily enough, on the 20th of January 2020.
But
yeah, so our plan is to do a week of celebrations at the week beginning with the 20th, which is apparently Blue Monday, so we're going to try and brighten it up for everyone.
It'll be Purple Monday.
But our main celebration is going to be on Friday the 24th, and there's going to be goodie bags and make and takes and workshops and cake.
And we've got a few secret things that we can't reveal just yet that should be really exciting.
There's also the goodie bags are going to be really, really impressive. There's going to be hand-tied bouquets of flowers for the first 20 customers to get them, and there's going to be loads of other bits in them worth £20 or more.
Yeah.
So that's quite exciting too.
It is very exciting. And given that I have already mentioned the C word, our Christmas opening on Sundays start from tomorrow. So that's Sunday the 3rd of November, for anyone not watching this today.
Yeah. It's going to be 12 till 4, and it's going to be every Sunday until Christmas.
So yeah, last one being 22nd.
Yes, indeed. So it'll mainly be me, and then an assortment of other people. So if you're around, please come in and say hi.
Cool. And I'm sure there's something else we're supposed to mention.
There is, but I can't remember what it is either. I know we've got lots of new bits.
We have.
But I can't remember what it is. Oh, maybe we were going to talk about the website.
We were indeed, yeah.
So the new website, which has been an ongoing saga for a couple of years now, is really, really, really close to being ready to test, and we'll be launching this year. So we're hoping next week we'll be able to advertise for people to test it. What we're going to be doing is giving people £10 to spend on the site in return for giving us their feedback. So there'll be a survey that goes out, and once we've got the completed survey, we'll be able to send your order out. And if you want to spend more than £10, you're very welcome to, but if you don't want to, you can just use that, and we'll be looking for 10 people for the first round and 10 people for the second round. So if you do want to be a tester, please contact us, let us know. We will be advertising it on Instagram, Facebook, and you can obviously comment below on this video as well, or send us an email.
Yeah, I think that does now cover everything.
Cool.
There'll be a newsletter coming out soon as well, so do keep an eye on your inboxes for that, with a lot of our new products. And yeah, we'll see you soon, maybe on a Sunday.
Bye.
Bye.